In this video, I'm going to show you how to use emotes in Blox Fruits on your mobile. So to do this, you first need to head over to the Roblox application and then click on Avatar in the bottom navigation menu. From here, select Customize, and then you need to scroll across until you see Emotes and select this. Now, here are all the emotes you currently have assigned to your avatar. Now, it's important to remember which emotes we have assigned to which number, as we're going to be using this in a moment. So just make sure that you do have emotes assigned to these numbers, and then you can head over to the Roblox homepage, and we're going to go ahead and launch up Blox Fruits. Once you're inside of Blox Fruits, click on the play button to bring up the chat menu, and then you need to select tap here to chat. Now all you need to type in to use an emote is the slash button followed by the letter E, then space bar, and then you need to type in the number of the emote that you want to do. So let's say I want to perform emote number 1, and then we can hit return. You can see now that my character's performing that particular emote. And of course we can do the same thing for all the different emotes by typing in /E space number 2 and also hitting return. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you use emotes in Blox Fruits on your mobile. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.